Hello everyone, so I've just pulled this out of the mailbox, and of course I kind of wanted to sneak an idea of what is in there. There's an 11, it looks like it says bake. So could it be a baking theme? I wonder. This is a cute background on the card. I like the polka dot detail. As always, I'm going to try it. My desk is always super messy, but there's all kinds of stuff just right to the side here. So I don't have as much elbow room as I usually do. So I'm going to open the tissue paper. And oh my goodness, how cute is that? Right on top. Oh, this little box has a delicious looking pretzel. Okay, so there's washi tape. That looks like gingham. And it is kind of an orangey hue of gingham. And I'll pull this out. You can see lovely distressing. There's almost some greens in there too. Set that right over there. And ooh, what is this? These are, not sure. Looks like vintage imagery. This is a vintage box, so that makes sense. I like those. I think that it feels like a sticker, so I'm going to make sure here. Yep. And what kind of sticker? Looks like it's a vellum or washi sticker. So it's a little bit translucent there. You can kind of see things through it. Lots of stickers in that little booklet. This is intriguing. This looks like really retro, vintage imagery. Cute Coca-Cola, licking the cookie. And what's in the box? More stickers maybe, and some paper ephemera. I think I got it all out of there. These feel like paper here. Some nice food images. There's the guy, the kid with the, it looks like an Oreo, doesn't it? Ooh, I'm glad we have that. So some of the images from the box, the outside, oh, that looks delicious. Look at that. Yum. This is the box that's making me hungry. And now these are vellum. Oh, cute. Ooh, I like this one. Different cakes. So those are the larger ones. Set that aside, and then, oh, it looks like we have some shaped food item stickers here. And more of the Coca-Cola. These are like washi stickers. I don't know, I can't tell. She looks like she's hanging over a bathtub or something, but I don't think that's it. Nice tea. Ooh, look at that one. Is that a Coke float? Oh, these are just delicious looking. Oh, what is this? These must be pears, I think. You know, the kind that come in a can or something. That's funny. I like this. I think I've seen this somewhere before. Ooh, I love this one. The little watermelon shape. Some mussels. That's a funny shape of ice cream bar. Or ice cream treat. Alright, yeah, they weren't kidding with the food theme. I like these shaped ones. There's tons of them. That could almost be Alice in Wonderland, couldn't it? I made an Alice in Wonderland junk journal recently. If you want to see that, I'll pop it in the corner if I remember. This one's hilarious. Okay, it's like a cat eating french fries, and I don't know, the expression on the cat's face is pretty neat. Moxie car with Dr. Pepper. That looks, I said that too many times. That looks delicious. So, wow, there's just a ton of those in there. Let's see what else there is. I cannot wait to see what's in the little pretzel box. I mean, it's probably stickers or something, right? But, come on. Oh, these are all things I can't eat anymore due to an intolerance to gluten. But, you know, that. Oh, that's yummy. What are these? Waffles. So these are opaque stickers. They're not going to show anything through, and then they have the white border. Love it or hate it, that is what it is. Not even sure what that is. So there's got to be a pretzel in here. Ooh, churros, bread. These are all like bread items. Look at that beautiful pastry. I don't even know. Aha! Well, that's kind of a pretzel. It's a fancy pretzel. And there's a lovely pretzel. Oh, my favorite. The French croissant. Croissant au beurre. Délicieux. And last. That is all kinds of delicious little bread items. We have some stamps here. I will open them up and then stamp them out. Feels like, and it says wood stamp. Huh, I read it, yes. So, going with the food theme, we have, this is cute, the little hand with anything could be under that lovely tray. It's a rubber stamp, and then this piece of pie or something with a cherry on top. Okay, so with the VersaFine Onyx black ink, I stamped out these first two. And surprise, there are some more. Alright, what's next here? We have rub-on transfer stickers. So yeah, these are the rub-ons, and I'm going to pull them out just so that we can see which ones we have. Some flowers and some food items. I love these flowers. Oop, make sure I'm not. Did you see that one there? Got a little too focused on this. I like the wheat too, and the tea kettle. Coffee kettle. I'll set these aside. My vellum sheets got a little crumpled. It's an interesting pattern. Usually there's 5 in here. I'm just going to leave them in there for now. We've got a baker's hat, some wheat, some flour, rolling pin, a baguette, another cutting board or something. Yeah, and can you, yeah, there's a little bit of glare, but I think you can kind of see that pretty well. Cute rolling pins, and these are completely transparent, so they'll show through. I like these. Oh, I'm going to save these for a minute. We have some more stamps. They're cute. Lots of different ones. I'm going to hold it here for a moment. And here is how they stamp out. Cute little chefs, bake the world a better place, food is memories, and some utensils. I really like the whisk. Okay, let's look at the paper. I want to see the papers. And remember, on the back here we have 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. And look at that, they show a picture of all of them right there. So I'm just going to pull out half of them because I don't need to look at all of them. There's that one. Oh, this one's got a lot of lovely variety, and you see how well coordinated it is. There's that gingham pattern in the back. Here's the lady we saw earlier in one of the things. This looks like wallpaper. And then it repeats in the different varieties of kinds of paper. Alright, let me just pull this off. I see mushrooms up here. And I see some mushrooms in there, and I'm not gonna... Oh, why did I pull that off? It opens down here. I'm not gonna rant about mushrooms this time, I promise. Okay. Ooh, I like this, and there's that cool art paper texture on the back. It feels nice. I know you can't feel it, but I'm enjoying the feel of that little ticket. And there are 2 of them. There's a nice little place you can journal. This is great to add into a little traveler-sized journaling notebook just on the side. Great, especially if you're not good at writing straight or you don't want to write the lines in. This one also has the texture. I like that little scrap. It's another one with some texture. Another little label lined one. Oh, I'm saying nothing. You can see it. But this one has some nice texture. This one also has the texture that'll be interesting to write on. Because, I don't know, I think it might make it a little hard to write on, in fact. Another one that is a label with all that texture on the background. Love the floral image here and the nice dark color. And then these are vellum stickers here. That's got some cool characters on it. Plant, what does this say? Sweet scented. And a little flower and a little mushroomy postage stamp here. Alright, that's it. I've made a big mess, and I thank you for taking the time to watch, and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content, though I haven't had a ton of time to create with this stuff lately, but I'm gonna get to it, especially as these busy months move on and we get into the winter. So yeah, thanks for watching again. Have a wonderful creative day. Bye!